Hello everyone, in this video we are going to log in with Facebook. We are going to enter our Facebook email address, our Facebook password. Once we are done with that, we would be able to log in. So let's see how we can do that. So in this, the main important concept is of XPath. For that, double click on this button and go to inspect. Now using this arrow, you have to go to this Facebook button, click on that, and as you can see in the code, you have one button here. Now double click on this and go to copy the XPath. This XPath I'm just going to save for now. So this is my Facebook button's XPath. Now we want our bot to click on this button. So the code I'm going to try out is b button is equals to bot dot driver dot find element by XPath. Here I'm going to paste my XPath of that button that I had already copied. I'm going to press enter. Once I'm done with this, our bot knows which button to click. So next thing is we want our bot to click on that button. So I'm going to type fb button dot click, and right now I'm on this page. Once I click, as you can see, a new window is opened in which it's asking us to enter our Facebook credentials. Now, the interesting thing here is our bot is currently operating on this Tinder website. We have to tell our bot to jump to this tab and then fill these details. And once it's done with that, we have to again ask our bot to jump from this Facebook page and go back to the Tinder page. Bot dot driver dot window handles. As you can see, I have got an array and it has two values. So the first value is of first window and the second value is of second window. So the first window is our Tinder window and the second is our Facebook window. Now we have to ask our bot to jump from the first window to the second window. Bot dot driver dot switch to window, and I have to tell my bot which window. So for that, I'll just copy this code, I'll paste it here, and I have to write 1 for the second window. The first window will be 0. Close this bracket, and now as soon as I press enter, you can see a jump to the Facebook window. Excellent. Now all this progress that I have done here, let me paste the code back. Alright, so the next thing that we have to do is enter our email address. For that, let me get my Xcode. You already know the drill. For this one, it's an input text. So as you can see, the type is input. Let me just double click on this, copy the XPath. So let me save it here. So this is my email XPath. Let me also get for my password. So password is again the input field, and I'll just copy the XPath and let me comment it out. And let me also get this login button's XPath. Alright. So it's labeled, and let me copy the XPath and let me just paste it. Right, so I've got the XPath for all the three: my email, my password, and my login button. So how can I call that? So it's simply these two steps all over again. Instead of Facebook button, now it's going to be my email text field, and I have to click my email text field. And let me replace my expand. Let me cut it and let me paste it here. Alright, now let me copy it again, paste it, replace my XPath for the password, change the variable name. So I'm just going to add password text field and paste it. Now let me copy it all over again because I have to click my login button. So I'm just going to copy my login button XPath and I'm going to just paste it here. Now one clarification. Login is a button, so we need the click, but email is not a button. We are going to enter our email, so we don't need this click here, and same goes with the password. Instead, we need something else, and that is email text field dot send keys, and here you have to type your email, your Facebook email. Similarly, for password, you have to type your Facebook password here. We have to change the variable name, so it is login button, and this is also login button dot click. Let me put the email address and password. For that, let me create one file by the name credentials.py. Okay, now here I'm going to create a variable email is equals to my email, and I'm going to enter my password is equals to. Alright, now let me import this email and password into my tinderbot.py. From credentials, import email, password. Now I'm going to use this email and password here. So let me just replace it, email, and let me copy password. Done. So let me run everything from beginning till now. And let me start a new terminal. Let's clear it up, and now we are going to do everything from beginning to the end. For that, let me type python -i and our file name, press enter, and then I'm going to do bot is equals to TinderBot and enter. So it is going to open the Chrome window for us. Then expand it, and then we are going to write bot dot and our login method. Login. So once we log in, it should go to the Tinder website. It should click on the FB button, and then it will switch the window to the FB window. Then it is going to enter our FB's email, our Facebook's password, and it will click on the login button. So all this should happen now. Let me press enter, and let's see what happens. And as you can see, it does not move forward. Why does it happen like that? And as you can see, we got an error here. And this happened because our Tinder website took some time to load while the code started executing further. So till the time this button could come up, the code had already gone past this line. So we need to make the code to wait till the website is completely loaded. So let me put some sleep here. For that, we have to import time, import sleep, and then let me make the website sleep for let's say 5 seconds. Let us again run it. We have to create the variable and follow the class. And once that's done, let me expand it and we have to call the login method. And now it should work fine. So the website loads, it's taking 5 seconds. Now I clicked on the Facebook button, it entered email and password and clicked on the login. Now, as you can see, it switched from the Tinder window to the Facebook window. It entered the email password and clicked on the login button. And then it jumped back to the Tinder window. But our bot doesn't know that. So we need to make our bot to jump back to the main Tinder window. So for that, let me copy this code and ask our bot to come back to the Tinder window. That's it. In the next video, we are going to type a few more commands and then you will have an automated Tinder bot for yourself who is going to swipe the hell out of Tinder and it will be so much fun. So, in case you are new to this channel or in case you are old, do like, comment, share and subscribe and also click on the little notification bell next to it so that you know when the new video is coming up. Bye bye.